Hello, my friends, and welcome to a lesson all about factors. You know, it's really cool. The word factors, factory, fact, they all mean sort of the same thing. They have the same root. They mean to make or to have done. Well, let's do some factors. What will you need? You will need a piece of paper, and you'll need some objects. I have some beads. What's that? You don't have something like that? Oh, well, keep watching anyway. Let's do this together, and then I'm going to show you some other things you might be able to use to have this work happening. So let's start by writing factors on our paper, and you can do it as fancy as you like, because all work should be beautiful and fancy. Factors, plus a nice title, gives us some nice intent. Ooh, how about some color in there? That looks pretty nice. How about a little bit more? Fantastic. Okay. Now I counted out 12 beads in this cup. So our first factor will be 12. Now we can do this vertically when we record. You can also do it horizontally. For now, I'm going to show you how to do it vertically. We'll write the number 12, and now underneath it we'll write our factors. And what are those factors? Well, let's find out. I want you to think about the smallest number you know. What number would that be? 1, right? So we want to try to build the number 12 by ones. This also lets us check that we have the same number we started with. Did you count 12 as well? Fantastic. And everyone's by themselves. That means we have 12 groups of 1. That means 1 is a factor of 12. Let's write it down. What's the next smallest number you can think of? 2, right? So let's build groups of 2. It seems to be working. What we want to look for is to make sure now that everyone is in a group of 2. No one is left out. And do you see that? I do as well. That means 2 is also a factor of 12. We can build 12 with the number 2. Okay, how about 3s? Check that out. 3 is also a factor of 12. All right, on to the next number, right? 4. Look at that. 3 groups of 4, and 4 is a factor of 12. This seems pretty awesome. Well, how about 5? Ooh, we have 2 groups of 5, but then we have 2 left over. 5 is not a factor of 12, but we can try the next number. 6, and 6 does appear to be a factor of 12, so let's record it. Onwards to 7. No, that won't do. 8. That doesn't look right either. 9. Okay, 10. Keep going, you say. Okay, 11. How about 12? Everybody's in one group of 12 now. It does seem to work. So let's write that down too, and let's check what we have recorded. It seems that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. How cool is that? Well, there are other things that you could use to do this. I mean, what if you don't have beads? Because you're going to want to do a lot of this work. Well, if you ever gone outside and looked around on the ground and seen anything out there, ooh, take a look. We're going to roll some videos to show you what else you can use to do this work. have some fun with these factors. And once you have enough of these factors, there's some other things I can show you to unlock more secrets about these cool numbers. I'll see you again soon.